How to change language on Bybit. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how we can change our language on Bybit. So if you are also wondering on how you are about to change your language on Bybit, in this video, we will show you exactly how to do it. So first of all, head over and open up the Bybit application on your device. If you don't have it, you can just go ahead and download it from the available app store. Once you have downloaded it, you can just head over and log in into your account. And once you're logged in, you will be seeing the dashboard of the Bybit on your screen. So in order to change the language on the Bybit, you can find your account at the top left corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be reaching to a profile page. So here, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be finding different settings here. Look for the language, which is right below the settings. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and you will be finding the languages here. So you can just switch up to the language that you want. For example, Arabic. You can just tap on it and your language will be changed. So that is how you change up your language on Bybit easily. Follow up the same steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video again.